Normal versus advanced English phrases to speak like a native. I'm confused. I'm lost. I'm a bit lost. Can you explain that part again? I'm very angry. I'm fuming. I was fuming inside, but I tried to stay calm. I'm sad. I'm feeling down. I'm feeling down today, so I just want to be alone. I'm nervous. I'm on edge. I'm on edge waiting for the exam results. I don't like it. It's not my cup of tea. He loves video games, but they're not my cup of tea. I'm very sure. I'm absolutely certain. I'm absolutely certain that we locked the door. I'm going to sleep. I'm calling it a night. My eyes are closing. Time to call it a night. I'm happy to help. Glad to be of assistance. Glad to be of assistance if you need anything else. I don't understand. I don't quite follow. Sorry, I don't quite follow your point. I'm shy. I'm not much of a talker. I'm not much of a talker in large groups, to be honest. I feel sick. I'm under the weather. I'm under the weather today, so I think I'll stay home. I'm okay. I'm doing just fine. I'm doing just fine. Thanks for asking. I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling off. I'm feeling a bit off today. Maybe it's the weather. I can't come. I won't be able to make it. I won't be able to make it to the dinner tonight. I'm not interested. I'll pass on that. Thanks, but I'll pass on that invitation. Let's meet soon. Let's catch up sometime. Let's catch up this weekend if you're free. I'm going now. I'll head out now. I'll head out now, it's getting late. Let's start. Let's kick things off. Let's kick things off with a short introduction. Let's go. Let's hit the road. Let's hit the road before it gets dark. I'm listening. You have my full attention. Go ahead, you have my full attention. It's not possible. It's out of the question. Skipping the exam is out of the question. I'm very lucky. I hit the jackpot. I really hit the jackpot with this new job. I really like it. I'm crazy about it. I'm crazy about this book, I can't put it down. I'm very bored. I'm bored to death. I'm bored to death, there's nothing to do here. I made a mistake. I slipped up. I slipped up during the interview and forgot the name. Let's wait and see. Time will tell. We don't know if it'll work, but time will tell. I'm very happy. I'm overjoyed. I'm overjoyed that you're coming to visit. I'm very tired. I'm worn out. I'm worn out after that workout session. It's a big problem. It's a major issue. That's a major issue we can't ignore anymore. I'm thinking. I'm giving it some thought. I'm giving it some thought but haven't decided yet. I feel lazy. I'm not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to go out today. I'm busy right now. I'm caught up with something. I'm caught up with something at the moment. Can I call later? It's easy to do. It's straightforward. It's a straightforward process, even for beginners. It's hard to do. It's a tough nut to crack. This puzzle is a tough nut to crack. That's enough. That'll do. Okay, that'll do for now. Thanks. Just a second. Bear with me. Bear with me, I'm almost done. I'll help you. I've got your back. Don't worry. I've got your back. I'm tired. I'm drained. I'm totally drained after that long meeting. I'm very excited. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled about the trip. It's going to be amazing. I'm not sure. I have my doubts. I have my doubts about this plan, to be honest.